Welcome. No response on call, no response on email. But finally, I have managed to transfer my domain successfully from Net4 India. How? For you is I have divided this video in two parts. In part 1, you can see how and where you can get support to start the transfer process from Net4 India to another registrar. And in part 2, I have shared my own story on successful transfer of .com domain from Net4 India to another registrar stepwise. Part 1. How and where to get support. Your first step in getting your domain transferred from Net4 India is to check if you are using countrycodedomain.in or other TLDs, top level domains like .com, .net, .org, etc. If you are using .in, you are lucky enough because Nixie is here to help you. You can either raise a request with Nixie to update your domain name server only or raise a domain transfer request from Net4 India to another registrar. Point A. For name server update, send mails to following email IDs to avail direct services without help of Net4 India. Support at nixie.in, registry at nixie.in. If you want to transfer your domain, then for domain transfer request, send mail to support at nixie.in. If you are using .com, .net, .org, etc. with Net4 India, send an email to Mr. Samiran Gupta, who is the head of India ICNN, by raising a domain transfer request from Net4 India to another registrar at samiran.gupta@icnn.org and follow the resolution steps as advised by Mr. Gupta in response to your email. And now here is my story on successful transfer of my .com domain from Net4 India to another registrar. It was all started when I renewed my domain on 18th December 2020. Renewal process was completed successfully. Amount was also deducted from the bank account. An email confirming the order was also received. But Net4 India's user interface was still showing it as renewal order is placed but payment is still awaited. To update the renewal status at Net4 India's user interface, I have tried all possible steps but not of any use. Tried to raise an online ticket but failed. Sent emails to Net4 India but no response. Called the support number but incoming was barred on it. When searched on the web, it was full of same kind of complaints. Since it was nearly impossible to solve this problem, decided to transfer my domain on the same day. 18th December 2020. Requested auth code from Net4 India dashboard to transfer my domain to another registrar. As advised by ICNN, waited for 5 days for releasing the auth code from Net4 India, but no response till 22nd December 2020. 23rd December 2020. Raised a domain transfer request with Mr. Samiran Gupta via email. Got the response and the detailed steps that was required to start the domain transfer process. As advised, sent an email to designated Net4 India resolution officer with the details. Tried to call him but he did not respond. It was 24th December 2020. Again tried to call the Net4 resolution officer but he did not respond. It was the second attempt. When I found that the person was also available on WhatsApp at the same mobile number, sent a WhatsApp message with my CRN ID. Also sent him an email again as forgot to send CRN ID in my previous email. It was my second email to the Net4 resolution officer. 25th December 2020. Since the resolution officer of Net4 India was not responsive at all to either of my calls, emails, and WhatsApp messages, registered a domain transfer complaint at ICANN with help of the link that was already provided by Mr. Samiran Gupta in his mail. Also updated the status to Mr. Gupta via mail as well. 29th December 2020. Received a reply from Mr. Gupta that it takes at least 5 working days for ICANN to review new cases. In the meanwhile, please continue trying to reach Net4Media. So as advised, sent a WhatsApp message to Net4India resolution officer again. Also tried calling, but no response. It was the third attempt, and also sent an email. It was also my third email to him, but he did not respond. 30th December 2020. Mentioned this date in green color because I have got the first reply from Net4 Professional. To my surprise, finally got a reply to my first WhatsApp message I have sent on 24th December 2020. Please share domain name and your ID proof. So as requested, sent my domain name and ID proof through WhatsApp message. Also sent the details via email. It was the fourth email. Tried calling to confirm him that I have already sent the details and please check, but he didn't respond as well. It was the fourth attempt. 31st December 2020. Sent a reminder WhatsApp message to check the requested details and do the needful. Tried calling also, but no response. It was the fifth attempt. And since there was no response for any of my emails, so I stopped sending further emails. Updated all the status to Mr. Gupta via email as well. 2nd of January 2021. Sent a WhatsApp message again to confirm if the process of releasing of auth code is initiated or not. Tried calling but no response. It was my sixth and last attempt. Decided to stop calling too, as WhatsApp was the only proven communication method till now. 3rd of January 2021. Again it was a green day. Received a reply on WhatsApp asking to pay the domain renewal cost as it's in pending status. In my reply over WhatsApp message, informed him that the same has been paid already and shared the Net4India order copy and other communications I have done on 18 December 2020 via WhatsApp messages. 4 January 2021. Since there was no response, sent a WhatsApp message to consider the details shared against renewal of my domain and do the needful. Updated the status to Mr. Gupta via email again. My next green day was on 5th of January 2021. When I sent a WhatsApp message again with a snapshot of bank statement against payment of domain renewal cost containing the transaction numbers against the renewal of my domain, and requested also to check and update the renewal status in Net4India's system and initiate the process to provide me auth code. I have got a reply. Okay, we'll share soon. 7 January 2021. Again 2 days passed and no response. So sent again a WhatsApp message and requested to update the status regarding releasing of my auth code. On 8th January 2021, received a reply again on my WhatsApp. Please wait, would release at today night. 10 January 2021. It was one more green, but a big day for me, a big sigh of relief. I got a reply on WhatsApp containing the auth code, transfer my .com domain to another registrar. Auth code was accepted by the new registrar successfully, and domain transfer process was also started. Updated all the status to Mr. Gupta via email as well. 16 January 2021. Finally, today transfer process of the domain completed successfully. Sent a final WhatsApp message to Net4India's resolution officer to say thanks. Updated also the final status to Mr. Gupta via mail as well and said thanks for his continued support during the process. So this was my journey from Net4India to another registrar. What I have learned is to keep patience, Keep trying to be in constant touch with Net4 India's resolution officer. Keep updating the ICANN contact regularly. Follow ICANN blog on Net4 India. You can see the link in the description area. And finally, don't ever trust on third-party mediators. Best of luck.